Welcome to this tutorial presented by oraclecoach.com. This is Claire Rajan, and in this tutorial I will discuss the SQL commands associated with managing tables. When you alter a table, you are making structural changes to the table. The SQL command to make such changes is the alter table command. Using an alter table command, you can add a column. You can modify an existing column by changing its width, its data type, or even its default value. You can drop as well as rename a column using an alter table command. The syntax to add a column has been displayed on the slide. The command is alter table, table name, add, open parentheses, column name, data type, optional size, comma, add any other columns that you want, close parentheses, semicolon. You can enclose the column definitions within parentheses if you have more than one column being defined. If only one column is being defined, the parentheses is not required. In the example, the structure of the employees table is being modified. The command reads as alter table employees, add, open parentheses, address, varchar2 of 100, comma, phone, varchar2 of 15, close parentheses. Two columns are being added. The columns are address and phone. The alter table command with a modify clause is used when you are trying to make the following types of changes to a table. 1. You want to increase or decrease the width of a column. 2. You want to change the default value of a column. 3. You want to change the null or the not null property of a column. This slide displays an example of a change that is being done to the address column. If the current width of this column is 100 characters, this command attempts to increase the width to 150 characters. The command that is written is alter table employees modify open parentheses address varchar2 of 150 close parentheses. There are certain points that you might want to be aware of when making changes to a column using an alter table modify command. 1. It is always possible to increase the width of a numeric or character column. You can decrease the width of a numeric column only if the column has no data in it, or in other words, it is an empty column. If you are decreasing the width of a character column, you can do so only if all the existing values in the column have a width that is equal to or less than the new width. To change the data type of a column, it must be empty. The syntax to rename a column has been displayed on this slide. It is alter table, table name, rename column, old column name to new column name. In the example, you are changing the name of a column called Sal from Sal to Salary. The command that is written is alter table employees, rename column Sal to Salary. The syntax to drop a column has been displayed on this slide. It is alter table, table name, drop column, column name. In the example, you are dropping a column called address from the employees table. The command that is written is alter table employees, drop column address. There is a second example where you are seeing two columns being dropped at the same time. When dropping more than one column, the syntax is different. The word column is not being mentioned, and the columns to be dropped are enclosed in parentheses and separated by commas. In the second example, you're dropping two columns from the employees table, job and hire date. In this tutorial, I explained the theory behind altering a table using SQL commands. I hope you find this tutorial useful. You can find an organized listing of all our videos on the Oracle Coach website. Thank you for your time and thank you for listening.